Wow! Largest floor plan available in Bridge at Jefferson. True Greatroom floor plan with formal dining area, spacious entertaining area with fireplace and built-ins. If cooking is your passion, you will love the huge kitchen with ample cabinetry in addition to walk-in pantry. Looks like it is ready for a cooking class with huge granite top island large enough to have the whole gang with you while are doing those last-minute touches. Large separate master suite with soaking tub, shower, dual sink vanity and walk-in closet. Guest bedroom suite located at opposite end of home. In addition 2 more beds, full bath and powder room. Attached garage with direct home access. Tile flooring on the diagonal, high ceilings, modern paint finishes throughout. Spacious yard, just shy of 1/4 acre with extended covered patio. Located in Indio City of Festivals and the fastest growing city in Riverside County.